When precision matters, you need tools that make accuracy effortless, like the Concentric Target from GeoCue, specially designed for drone LiDAR projects. These targets are your key to streamline post-processing and quality control, helping you achieve dependable, measurable results with ease. Convenience is in the details. With 5 snap-together pieces, the Concentric Target from GeoCue assembles in seconds. Lightweight yet dense enough to resist wind, it stays firmly in place and the central nail hole ensures perfect alignment. With the 3D accuracy add-on in LP360, these targets automate vertical and horizontal accuracy checks and improvements, saving you time and increasing your project's precision. In just a few clicks, you can apply 3D transformations to your point cloud, achieving next-level accuracy and confidence in your data. Concentric targets from GeoCue: convenience, precision, and reliability, all in one easy-to-use solution.